Hello, this is Parker Humphrey, and I am here to talk to you about the image that Joel Sternfield took of McLean, Virginia, December 1978. I would first like to talk about this. When describing this photo, I would like to talk about how it's perceived from a bird's eye view. When looking at it, I would like to ask the people I would describe it to imagine that they're in some sort of field. Um, I would give them about 100 yards, and then I would ask them to look to see if they saw a house, and tell them that the house was yellow with green shutters. I would then ask them to imagine that it was on fire, with smoke in the air. Also, about 50 yards from them, there would be a little bitty farmer's market. It would have a green and yellow signage on it with a gray roof. At the farmer's market, there would be a man who looks like he'd be calling 911 to report the fire that is seen in the background. That man working at the farmer's market would be selling pumpkins. Closer and closer from the farmer's market to who's standing there looking at this scene, you would be visualizing pumpkins smashed. A lot of them look like basketballs. They are very bright orange pumpkins. I would say there's probably 100 of them in the field. And then that would kind of get you as far as where you're standing, or as far as like the image of that the bird's eye view is shown from. There will be a few trees, and it would be in daylight. And that's about all I can get in for 2 minutes. So thanks for listening, and I hope you imagine what I've described. Thank you.